Welcome to another edition of Chiro Awareness Online Training Series. I'm Jordan Windlekin. Today we are at Results Chiropractic in Carmel Valley, California. This episode is on how to install a perforated window vinyl graphic. Before we get started, here are some of the tools that you will need. A tape measure, tape, an application device, a rag or a cloth in order to clean the window, scissors, or a knife. For alignment, unroll your graphic and have a few pieces of tape ready. I suggest 6 or 8. Align the window temporarily and place a piece of tape in the top corner. Once the graphic is lined up, you can place pieces of tape in the top corner to mark how it's aligned. In this case, 1 inch from the top and 1.25 inches from the left and the right. You can now remove the graphic and set it aside, making sure no dust or particles get on the graphic's face. Now take your cloth or towel and gently wipe away any dust or particles. There's no need for liquids or soap to clean the window. Now that the markers are in place and the window is clean, we're ready to install the graphic. Using those markers, align the graphic in the top corner and press down gently with your thumb, removing any air bubbles. It's very important that the graphic is aligned perfectly in your markers. Starting a foot in from the side, firmly press and squeegee up and down, working towards the edge. At this point, I can let go of this graphic. I may have to pull the graphic up from the side just a little bit from where it started in order to continue working. Since it's already in place, I know that it's going to be straight. I'm going to squeegee in a half moon shape so as not to cause any wrinkles or bubbles. Remember, time is not of the essence. When I get towards the edge, you can go ahead and squeegee it all the way down. The rest of the graphic is that easy. If for some reason I have any pockets or tunneling, I can pull the graphic off a little bit and start over. Once again, I'm going to work in half moon patterns, making sure all parts of the graphic are touching the window and there's no bubbling. If you hold the graphic close to the window, as you see with my right hand, it actually helps as it's close to the window but not touching. Don't get ahead of yourself. Make sure both sides are firmly pressed down evenly. As we approach the end, press firmly all the way through. Work the corner in the direction that it's going. That way it's firmly applied to the window with no wrinkles or bubbles. You can go back through the graphic one last time, pressing out anything that you may see as being a wrinkle or a bubble. You can sometimes hear it when your squeegee goes over it. And there you have it. Now just simply remove the tape and the clear backer, and you're done. We look forward to seeing you again on another episode of Chiro Awareness Online Training Series. For more information, visit us at www.chiroawareness.com. I'm Jordan Windlekin.